Hello everyone, hope you're doing and welcome back to my channel. Today we had the weekly contest 422 and today morning on Sunday, and I'm going to share the solutions for the same, the optimized solutions for the same. So this question, this particular contest, I will say was on. See, some of the questions are really good. The easy question was, yeah, that was definitely easier. But yeah, these two questions, the best thing here is they are linked. Okay, if you are able to solve one of them, you will be getting you will be able to solve both of them. Basically, that is the basic idea. So this was something. If you're lucky, you will be able to solve both of these questions together. So I'll be sharing the answers for all of these. So first, let us see the basic question. That is the easiest question. Check balance string. Okay, this is the first question. We'll see the question, and I'll be giving the solution in Python as well as in Java. Okay. So yeah, coming to this question, as you can see, we are given an integer here, and the answer will be either in true or false. That is a Boolean answer. Okay. So what is that? You are given a string num. Okay, consisting of only digits. A string of this is called a balanced. Okay, a string of digit is called balanced if the sum of the digits at the even indices is equal to sum of the digits at the odd indices. Okay, return true if the sum is balanced, otherwise return false. Okay, so we'll have to take basically the sum of all the digits at the even indices that should be equal to sum of all the digits at the odd indices. Okay, that is the basic idea. So in this particular question, if you see in the even indices, okay, that is 0 and 2, you have 1 and 3, okay, you have 1 and 3, the sum is 4. Similarly, in the odd indices, basically you have 2 and 4, okay, you have 2 and 4 because 2 and 4 are at index 1 and 3, okay, so you have 2 and 4 here, okay, so the sum is 6. So in this case, basically they are not matching. 4 is not equal to 6. That is, the sum of odd indices is not equal to sum of even indices, okay, that is the basic idea. So you have to return false. In the other thing here, basically, if you count the things here, okay, basically here in the even indices the sum is 6, and in the odd indices the sum is 6. Okay, so in both the case it is matching, so you have to return true. That is the basic idea in this question. And if you see the constraints, the length of the given string will be up to 100. Okay, that is up to 100 digits it will have. Okay, so 50 digits will be around 50 or 51, and even it will be again around the same 50 or 51. Okay, and it will have only digits. That is again another good thing here. That's why this question on the easier side. Okay, and if you see the acceptance rate is around 80%. That is after every 100 submissions, 80 were matching, 80 were able to solve all the test cases. Okay, so coming to this, see, there are multiple ways to do it. I will show you something that you might not be able to think of. Okay, that is something different. Okay, I will show you that. So this is the Python solution. I'm taking the length of it. First of all, I'm declaring a sum in which I'll be storing the sums. Okay, so as simple as that, I'm going through all the, that is every index I'm going, and I will be the index here. Basically, if I is even, I will be doing something, and if it is not even, I will be doing something. Okay, so what is that? I will show you how I'm doing it differently. See, the normal approach is you have to add them. Okay, but here if you see, you will be required two variables: one to store the even sums, that is a one to store the values of the sum that is in the even places. Similarly, one to store the values, that is sum of the values in the odd places. Okay, you need two variables, but how to do it with a single variable? I am declaring only single variable here. Okay, so what I'm doing, if the it's a even index, okay, what I'm doing, I am doing sum is equal to sum plus and this value. Okay, what is this value? Ordinal position of number of I minus ordinal position, ordinal value of this thing 0. Okay, that is the idea here is, if you take any number and if you subtract it from 0, you are going to get the same number back. Okay, for example, 7 minus 0, you are going to get the same number here. Okay, that is the basic idea. Okay, but what here is happening, if you see, if you tell me like why I'm having the ordinal position, why I can't remove this. See, ordinal basically refers to the kind of a ASCII value. Okay, ASCII value of it. For ASCII value, if you are aware of that, it will never start with a 07 like that. Okay, ASCII value will never be same as that of the number. For example, the ASCII value of capital A will be around 65 or 91, something like that. Okay, so it will not be same as the number itself. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the ASCII values to get the answer. So here what I'm doing, since they are digits, so I'm taking the ASCII value of this and subtracting with the ASCII value of 0. Though they are, see, again in the ASCII values also, they will be in the same sequence. That is, the ASCII value of 0 will be first, after that is the ASCII value of 1, and like that. So the sequence is same here. Okay, so we are taking advantage of that. I am subtracting it to get the real number. Okay, so with this I will be getting the real number. Okay, I am taking it in the sum, and this case I'm adding it. Remember, this is the most important part. If it is a odd index, what I'm doing, I will be subtracting it. Okay, see here, number sum is equal to sum minus this particular thing. Same thing here, whatever you're seeing here, same thing is here also, but in case of odd indexes, I will be subtracting the same. Okay, and finally what I've written, whether sum is equal to 0 or not. The idea here is, see, the even positions whatever is coming, I will be adding it to my sum. In odd positions whatever is coming, I will be subtracting that from my sum. If both of them are same, then the sum at last has to be 0. Okay, that is the basic idea here. So if I can run this and show you. Okay, this clears all the test cases. I've already submitted the solution. And one more thing, like this thing I wrote just to show you that how it can be done. Okay, if you are in, if you see the Java approach, which I will show you in the next video, you'll get, will be very familiar with this, because in Java we do it like this. Okay, in Java, basically, you don't have to take the ordinal function and all. We have to simply separate from the, the string of zero. Okay, that is the basic idea. In Python, if you're not aware of this ordinality, though you should be aware, this is very, very important in some cases. Okay, even if you're not aware, so what you can do is you can take int of this. Okay, you can use this. Okay, I have commented this out, but yeah, you can use the same. Okay, int of num of I. Okay, you can use this here as well as here. Okay, in both the places you have to use it here. Okay, remember, this will remain plus, this will remain minus, that will be fixed. But yeah, this particular part, basically, you can replace it with int of num of I. Okay, in that way also you will be able to do it. Okay, but just to show you in a different way, I have taken the ordinality this time. Okay, so that you are aware of this concept as well. So yeah, as I've already submitted the solution, and yeah, the solution got accepted, as you can see here. Okay, and if you want to see the space and time complexities, okay, if I can show in my submissions, yeah, okay, let me show for the Python one. Yeah, it is 100% efficient. That is beating all the 100 cases in terms of both runtime and in terms of memory. Okay, so that is the solution. So yeah, friend, that was all for this video. In the next video, I will be showing you the Java solution for this. The Java solution is also around the same. Okay, I will definitely expect you to code that first, because see, in terms of basic questions, you should be good in both Python and Java, and if any other programming language that you can expect in interviews, depending on the company that you are trying to crack. Okay, because remember, in, if I remember correctly, some companies in their rounds, okay, because of the restriction of the platform they're using, they will only give one or two options. Okay, either Python, Java, like that. Okay, they may not give C++ option, and similarly some may give different coding language like that. So you should be good with some, at least two of the most proficient languages. Okay, that is why I'm also going to show the solution in Java, okay, in the next video. So I find that was all for today, and this was the easy question. Okay, we'll be also discussing the answer for the next questions. Okay, for the rest of the questions, which are medium and hard questions. Okay, but yeah, for this question also I'll be sharing the Java solution. See you in the next video.